So that's what I'm saying with my epigenetics. I feel to be conscious of what you're going through. You understand?
Yeah,
Maybe, let's say you are dealing with something, but you don't know really what you are dealing with.
Yeah.
Your life, but there's something that loop out that you are dealing with. You understand? It may be my epigenetics. You are dealing with trauma that was inherited. You understand? So you have to change that. You want by
So
my
we inherit this trauma,
information.
kahle.
Yeah. But what I'm trying to say is nalokuthi like lama habits ukuthi ungabhadala i-DStv month in month out than ukuthi uhambe uyothenga uyi-inheritile nalento leyo yabo from society from your parents.
Trauma, dog.
You don't know better.
Yila ngena khona i-exposure khona ikunika i-experience because kwenzekani i-problem ikuwo wonke umuntu and ukunaka every time wena uma ulambile uzwa ngathi la emhlabeni sekunendlala
Yeah.
ngoba wena ulambile ukwakunaka lokho
Yeah.
and
Yeah,
ukudeliberate ukuthi ku-life kube njani ukuthi wena uma kukuwe lento uyizwa
Udeliberate i-life
sekuwo
ukuthi ibe njalo.
Lokuthi ulambe bese sowuva ngazuthi
It's a deliberate universal thing.
yes
Is that
so that
wait,
yeah
wait. Is that
I
what you
think
say? I don't
yeah.
believe
I
that.
think he means
It
it
is.
was
I don't
made.
believe
It was
that.
it
made.
is and kwenzekani and ngizoyibamba lento le because wona already angithi uperceive life njalo
Yeah.
ku-deliberate ukuthi uzobese either uba nento ekuphakamisayo ekuyisayo uzodinga omunye because sonke la mhlabeni kumele sidingane
Yeah.
understand le that's why uzothola umuntu uzibuza ukuthi why lo muntu lona ulwela u350 yazi wayalwela u350 angithi ulambile wena une opportunity ukuthi ukwazile ukucabanga yena ufuna ukusutha uyabona umehluko kulabantu abayithuyile wena ku-deliberate ukuthi wena ukwazi ukuthi ungayakha i-350,000 but iproblem iqala ngokuthi ujaje lo we-350 ungasamkhulisi ungasamkhuzi.
Okay, so now
Yeah, I
where
understand that,
where
Ndolo.
does the thing of us as black people, right? I hear you guys, man. But what you're saying, Guti, genetically, trauma is within us. Then he says that it's a free will thing, right? Ukuthi umuntu on a 350, omunye ukhetha okwenzani ukuthenga
Kwi-university
ukudla,
cool.
and then another person. So these things are intertwined in a way, right? In my perspective, because I feel like yes, ngikhona laba ukuthi angabuka lo 350 abuke ukuthi let me invest in Bitcoin or whatever. Mara omunye ubuka ukuthi endlini singakho abantu balambile. Right? And then lo munye ubuka ukuthi vele le mali yangishisa sekubuya yini le trauma ukuthi vele endlini akunamali vele ibathini bana bathanda ukisho ukuthi avele imali ayihlala kimi. And we don't think ukuthi lena le it's a genetical thing of you saying that you creating life, therefore it's a generational thing that keeps on passing down.
And akaqali ngawo.
Even then the show in free will. Sometimes I don't think, okay, in my opinion, sometimes it's not a free will thing. It happens automatically.
You have to be conscious.
Yeah, you have to be
That's why I said
conscious.
with this
Yes.
for
You
the
need to be
trauma,
conscious.
for you to get rid of the trauma, you have to be conscious of
Yeah.
there's something.
Yeah.
Yabona?
You need to
Until you're conscious. Yeah, lento ngisho.
What's going on?
lento ibuyela
What's going
kuphi
on?
scientifically
Hold up, let's have another point. What's going on?
Knowledge, if people would know and I would know how to actually heal with the trauma, how to deal with the trauma. It's simple. We humans have 60,000 thoughts per second each and every day. And not
600
all
what?
thoughts, 60,000 thoughts per second.
Thoughts.
Yes, each
Thoughts?
and every day.
Damn, that's a lot.
Yeah, well, so now you think about that. So now, each every thought is not correct. Some thoughts are correct. Some thoughts you are thinking while you are pouring. It's thought. Each and everything is thought.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
understand? Now the thing is, if we knew how to control our thoughts, to know which thought is the right thought, and which
exposure
thought
ngele
is the wrong, is the right thought,
Oh, because
it would have been much more easier for
Your
us
exposure
to know how to create a reality whereby we don't have to stress with now I'm 350 or now I have to
ngoba
We can-
sonolwazi
So it's,
Yeah.
so it's the electrical
yeah, it all starts
thought
in the brain.
pattern.